Adding music to a video using the Inshot mobile app is quite straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide for a 1-minute tutorial video. So let's start. Launch the Inshot app on your mobile device. Tap on the video option to create a new project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Now to add the music, tap on the music icon from the toolbar. Select track to choose from Inshot's music library. Now you will be getting a lot of options to choose the music from your Inshot music library. All you need to do, you just need to check and select the kind of music you want for your particular video. There will be one option which will be coming which says use. You just need to select the music and you need to tap on the use button. Once you are satisfied with your video, tap on the save button at the top right corner, choose the desired resolution and export the video. The video will be saved to your device gallery. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.